I gather all the ingredients: spaghetti, ground beef, dried oregano, tomato sauce, salt, dried basil and pepper. I gather all the ingredients: spaghetti, ground beef, dried oregano, tomato sauce, salt, dried basil and pepper. I fill a large pot with water. I fill a large pot with water. I add a pinch of salt to the water. I add a pinch of salt to the water. I bring the water to a boil over high heat. I bring the water to a boil over high heat. I add spaghetti to the boiling water. I add spaghetti to the boiling water. I stir the spaghetti occasionally. I stir the spaghetti occasionally. I cook the spaghetti for 8 to 10 minutes. I cook the spaghetti for 8 to 10 minutes. I taste the spaghetti to check if it's done. I taste the spaghetti to check if it's done. I drain the spaghetti in a colander. I drain the spaghetti in a colander. I rinse the spaghetti with cold water. I rinse the spaghetti with cold water. I heat a pan over medium heat. I heat a pan over medium heat. I add olive oil to the pan. I add olive oil to the pan. I chop garlic and onions. I chop garlic and onions. I sauté the garlic and onions until fragrant. I sauté the garlic and onions until fragrant. I add ground beef to the pan. I add ground beef to the pan. I cook the beef until browned. I cook the beef until browned. I season the beef with salt and pepper. I season the beef with salt and pepper. I add tomato sauce to the pan. I add tomato sauce to the pan. I stir the sauce and beef together. I stir the sauce and beef together. I let the sauce simmer for 10 minutes. I let the sauce simmer for 10 minutes. I taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning. I taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning. I add dried oregano to the sauce. I add dried oregano to the sauce. I add dried basil to the sauce. I add dried basil to the sauce. I stir the herbs into the sauce. I stir the herbs into the sauce. I turn off the heat. I turn off the heat. I place the spaghetti on a plate. I place the spaghetti on a plate. I pour the sauce over the spaghetti. I pour the sauce over the spaghetti. I sprinkle grated Parmesan cheese on top. I sprinkle grated Parmesan cheese on top. I garnish with fresh basil leaves. I garnish with fresh basil leaves. I serve the spaghetti hot. I serve the spaghetti hot. I prepare a side salad. I prepare a side salad. I wash the lettuce. I wash the lettuce. I chop the tomatoes. I chop the tomatoes. I slice the cucumbers. I slice the cucumbers. I mix the vegetables in a bowl. I mix the vegetables in a bowl. I add salad dressing. I add salad dressing. I toss the salad. I toss the salad. I slice some bread. I slice some bread. I set the table. I set the table. I place the salad on the table. I place the salad on the table. I pour a glass of wine. I pour a glass of wine. I enjoy my meal. I enjoy my meal. I clear the table after eating. I clear the table after eating. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I relax and enjoy the rest of the evening. I relax and enjoy the rest of the evening.